Yo, what's going on? It's your boy DJ Spida, and today is a quick Q&A video. Well, maybe not that quick, but came from a comment I did in the last video I did on the Serato 2.0, which is Serato DJ Pro, which I always just go Pro. But he wanted to know, how does he save his crates in Serato? So rather than saving your crates, I'll show you how you create your crates, and also what you should do to back up your crates and what files you need to pull from your hard drive in order to do so. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this Q&A. All right, here we go. So I got my Serato all pulled up, and when the first thing you want to do is you want to find where all your music is on whatever hard drive you have it on. As you can see, I've done it here already. Yes, here's where my music is. Just one, February 2018, and this is what I'm going to add. Right, this is my music right here. If I want to add a crate or create a crate, you will click on the orange button on the left. If you want to rename it, double click, and I'll just name this dance hall. All right, click over here and it saves automatically. All right, so one of the ways people do it is they will just drag the music into the folder one by one. Or you can just do like hold control, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on shift, select all. If you hold shift, click on the first one that you want to start from, then click on the last one. It will select and highlight everything, and then you just drag the entire thing over, and boom, there goes all the music. All right, now there is much easier way to do all of this. You just click and hold the folder, drag it over to the left, and boom, creates the crate for you. Puts all the music in there and everything already. You won't have to worry about dragging them one by one or doing all that stuff that I just did. So that is the two most common ways of creating a crate that you can do in Serato. If you want to create multiple crates, you just repeat the process. If you want to have sub crates, what you would do is you would hold the one that's to the bottom or to the top, and you would drag it. You would watch that line come up, and you just let go, and all of it becomes a sub crate. So now you have sub crates. All right, if you want to remove the sub crate, you just hold it, make sure that the whole box is highlighted, let go, and boom, it's dragged out again. All right, so now I'm going to show you what files you need in order to save your backup files. But first, before we get to that, I'm gonna just show you what Serato does in order to back your files up, what it does automatically. Now you see I've got these two crates here created. So when I click on the X to exit out of Serato, it would show you this right here on the screen. Exit, are you sure? Yes or no? And it says your Serato library backup on local disks, and it'll tell you all the disks that you have. If you see all the hard drives that I have, because it's been older than a week, so it's going to back it up automatically. Just make sure that backup library on exit is highlighted, and when you're ready to exit, you just click on exit on yes, and that's it, and it will save all of your newly created crates. And I will show you now where you need to go in order to back up your files. So now I'm going to show you how you go into your computer hard drive and find where all of your backup files for your Serato is. first thing you need to do is click on your Windows icon. You find your hard drive, your local disk, your C drive. Might not be a C drive, doesn't have to be a C drive, you could name it whatever, but that's for another time. So you want to go into user, see it here, then you go into music, and boom, here we go, Serato and Serato backup. All right, these are the two files that you would need to copy onto a flash drive or something of that sort, so that you will have those files backed up. Let's see, these are the temp files right here, which isn't much because I just basically just save those things. This is the log files right here. This is your history, all your sessions, right? So this is what you would need to back up, but you're not going to do that individually. You're going to back up these two, the Serato and the Serato backup. I always save these two, put it on a separate thumb drive or a separate hard drive somewhere along with your music. All right, so you want to back up not just these two files, but you also want to back up your music. That way you won't have any issues if your hard drive crash or your computer goes on a fritz, motherboard, the hard drive burns out, whatever the case may be. You will still have all your files, all your backups sitting around somewhere, and all you have to do is take all those files, put them back together, put them on a new hard drive, and then you have to relocate or look for all your files in Serato, which is easy. And I mean, that's about it. So now let's go back to Serato. So now you know how to back up all your files in Serato. All right, guys, and there you have it. So now you know how to create your own crates, you know how to create subcrates, and you know what two folders you need in order to back up all of your music and all of your hard work that you've used to create everything in Serato and make things a lot easier for you, for all you new DJs out there. This should help you a ton. And if you're new around here, you have never seen this channel before, welcome to DJ Spida TV. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so that you will know when I upload new content. I'll try to pump something out every week. That is my promise. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on social media at DJ Spida on Twitter, DJ Spida NC on Instagram. Also, don't forget to check me out on Facebook. I will put the link for that one in the description below, or you could just head over to at DJ Spida with 2 A's. It's at DJ Spida SPIDAA. That's my Facebook link, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, if you're new around here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I upload new content. And also, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.